Group, Germany, is a company that is busy in metallurgical plant raising, a family-owned company with about 13,500 employees all around the world and a turnaround of about 3.5 billion euros per year. My department prepares finite element calculations using MSc Mark and Mentat software, which requires enormous graphical and computation power. In 2006, we decided to move from personal workstations, which are very expensive and noisy, to a Unix-based dataware center. This created the need of a powerful remote access tool in order to use this software worldwide and for all of our colleagues. We decided to use OpenText Exceed TurboX technology, which is a very reliable tool that gives us enormous power. All around the world we can access our data center.
With my 8 colleagues here in Düsseldorf and in Mönchengladbach, in 2 locations, we are sharing one data center. For us users, the system is very easy to use by simply accessing one hyperlink and going to the web UI. The performance is excellent. The system works seamlessly as if I had my own private Unix workstation under the desktop. And also it offers me flexibility. I can go to another location, plug in my laptop and show my computational results to my colleagues.
Our major demand was a very good 3D OpenGL performance. Since we work interactively on finite element models, we have to move them, we have to rotate them. We tried several solutions, and finally we decided to use OpenText Exceed TurboX since it gave us the performance we needed. The technology behind it is a ThinX protocol, which uses several compression engines and a local graphic card on the server to deliver a fast and very reliable connection even over low bandwidth.
The SMS group has customers all over the world, and if a colleague visits a customer, he can log into our data center seamlessly with the system, even with moderate internet bandwidth, and can show results to our customers. And with the suspend and resume technology, work is never lost.
I, as an administrator, am very happy because once the system is set up, it simply works and you have no maintenance. We are using this technology for 12 years now, and my colleagues are very happy about the performance, and they especially like the suspend and resume feature. itX provides us a cost-saving and reliable solution. It simply works.